Kamiti itiganite cia bunge na ithiĩte na mbere na ũthuthuria wĩgiĩ bataraitha ya ngungo ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩenderio arĩmi makũmbĩ-inĩ ma bondi ya irio nyũmũ bũrũri-inĩ NCPB. Kũrĩa ũmũthĩ kamiti ya bunge ĩgiĩ ũrĩmi ĩgĩire na gĩikaro na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni ya SBL Innovate Joe Kariuki gũkĩhithũka atĩ makĩria wa makunia ngiri 100 ma bataraitha ĩtakinyanĩirie ikĩro nĩ mendeirio mũingĩ icigo-inĩ itiganĩte cia bũrũri kũhĩtũkĩra NCPB.
In national cereal would have done about you're talking about 100,000 bags?
Metric tons or bags?
Bags. I'm talking about bags. Because they used to pack them in bags. That was the job of the atomite. The contract says my job was to do advertisement and their job was to mine and package on my behalf.
Hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ Kariuki nĩagĩire na ihinda iritũ kũgeria gũtetera wagĩrĩru wa bataraitha yake mũthemba wa SBL-GPC thutha wa kũgwetwo ĩrĩmwe ya bataraitha itakinyanĩirie ikĩro ũndũ ũrĩa kamĩtĩ ĩno yendire atarĩrie wega makĩria nginya ũrĩa ahotire kũhũthĩra makũmbĩ ma NCPB kwendia bataraitha ĩno na thengia wa gũkorwo atarĩ na marũa.
We did an oral agreement which can be used. That's what we did.
You are joking now. I think you are now taking us for a ride. Oral agreement? Oral agreement to sell a product that's affecting millions of Kenyans? Mr. Kariuki, you are on oath. Stop lying to us, please. You are annoying us. So, if you got a distributorship with NCPB without any contract with anybody, as an individual, convinced them to take your product, that's what you should say.
Igũrũ rĩo kamĩtĩ ĩno nĩ yũkĩrĩire Kariuki akiuga kũheanaga ũhoro wa mahenio na thengia wa gũkorwo arĩte mwĩhĩtwa agĩthing'ĩrĩria gũtarĩria wagĩrĩru wa bataraitha ĩyo kuona ithimi ciayo cionanĩtie gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ gĩa kemiko mũthemba wa silica.
For your information, so all this is fabricated lie. They received your sample on 4th of January. It is in their record. So, do you want now to change your equations so that you can fit within those dates?
I think, Chair, I can see you're taking side already because I have more things to say because you're taking side already. You're talking about cabs.
Chair,
and
Chair,
it's true.
please.
You're taking
This
side.
is cabs.
We are
This is
here.
cabs. Are you telling us that you are lying before the cameras, Mr. Kariuki?
I'm not lying before the
How
camera.
can we believe you on anything else? If your contract says you started selling this product about 8 months before you got a contract with African Atomite.
Ningĩ kamĩtĩ ĩno nĩ yendire kũmenya ũrĩa bataraitha ĩno yatigire kwenderio arĩmi ta kĩndũ gĩa kũnorithia tĩri na ĩgĩcoka kwendio ta bataraitha ya kũhanda ona thengia wa gũkorwo gũtarĩ mogarũrũku mothe yatabanĩirio ũndũ ũrĩa Kariuki onake atanahota gũtarĩria.
It's very important that the product you give to KEBS to test is not the product that you are circulating. That's the point.
Chair,
Whatever the farmers are using is probably what you gave to KEBS that time. And
I'm
it
saying-
could have assisted them.
I'm saying-
But what you are selling now is a fake product. It's rock. It's
I'm
sand.
saying, Chair, you cannot be making decisions. You're not cabs. You have already made decisions.
We are making
You're not
decisions
cabs.
from what you have given
No,
us.
you cannot make decisions. Why don't we take the bags which is here to go back to cabs? Why don't we do
We
that?
cannot take your the facts
Chair,
here
Chair.
because they are already in your the content is already determined by you. We would allow KEBS to go for independent samples.
I think, Chair, you're being hostile on this. I can tell
You are the
you're
one
being
who is a
hostile on
hostile
this
witness
because
here.
it's only you talking and you're the one attacking me on everything. I'm trying to explain everything, but you don't want to listen. Why are you so hostile than anyone
I
else?
have the
Thutha wa gĩikaro gĩkĩ Kariuki na mawakiri yake nĩ mokĩrĩire kamĩtĩ ĩno makiuga ĩrahũthĩrwo kũmũhũra na kũmũhotomia kĩwonjoria. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV njĩtagwo Mũhũra wa Gunya.